Hello everyone, welcome in my channel Romana Physio. Let's study together and make physio easy. Good evening everyone, welcome in my channel. So in this video we are discuss about the PFD paper 5 mark questions and which are important for exam, and these questions I am taken from the last 5 year papers. Now the PFD means what? The physical and functional diagnosis. Let's start the questions. So first, that is in the 2020 year, the questions were asked in the exam that are first is SOAP format, that is what normal assessment format of SOAP, subjective objective assessment. Okay, then SLR test, static leg raise test, evaluation of below knee amputee patient, stress test, SD curve, and the VCG, that is voluntary control grading. Neonatal reflex and nerve entrapments. In the 2019 year, the questions are GCS, that is Glasgow Coma Scale, and its interpretation for 5 marks. Normal and abnormal breathing sounds, indication and contraindications of exercise testing, F wave and H reflex, that are basically the late responses in the NCV, that is no conduction velocity. Important of the tone examination in the neurological conditions or neurological disorders. Describe the difference of tone in the pyramidal as well as the extrapyramidal lesions. Here spelling mistake, sorry. Then describe upper limb DT jerks, that is deep tendon jerk, and their root values. In the year 2018, the questions are 6-minute walk test, assessment of the posture, differential diagnosis for knee pain, exercise tolerance test, diagnosis test for CTS, that is carpal tunnel syndrome, examination for 3rd, 4th, 6th and 7th cranial nerve, pathomechanical variation of hemiplegic gait. In the year 2017, the first is SF36, F wave, chorea, UMN versus LMN lesions, criteria to terminate the exercise testing, vital signs in detail, write about the standard description of the circumference measurement, and midbrain reflexes. In the year 2016, true and apparent LLD, that is limb length discrepancy, significant of different diagnosis in evaluation process, pulmonary function test and its significance, GCS and its interpretation, alteration in nerve conduction studies and method to avoid them. And in 2015, questions are chest expansion measurements, methods of LLD measurements, examination of cortical sensation, mass scale and its interpretation, that is what modified Ellsworth scale for spasticity, interpretation of normal curve of NCV nerve conduction velocity, and diagnostic test for CTS carpal tunnel syndrome. Thank you friends, and these questions are basically asked in exam in previous papers, so that are important for us. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like my video, please give thumbs up and share with your friends, share knowledge and subscribe my channel for more videos.